unexpected sinkhole! On a mild, sunny morning, a group of construction vehicles are working on a newly paved road. Rollo is rolling the road, Swirlo is mixing concrete and spinning whooshing. Rollo is rolling the road when, oh no! The ground starts to crack open. The construction team jumps into action. Orango digs, Dozzy pushes, everyone's working together. Craney pulled the crane down and hooked the cable to Rollo's hull. Lifty and Reddy held the anchor line while Swirlo pumped concrete to plug the hole. The cable's so tight it might snap. Oh no! The hole's getting bigger! Craney gives one last pull. Success! Rollo is safe! A shocking day, but with teamwork, nothing's impossible. Let's plant trees together. Today, the construction team decides to plant trees to make the worksite greener and cooler. Each vehicle has its own job. Reddy digs the holes while Dozzy levels the ground perfectly. Lifty gently lifts each potted plant and places it in the hole. The vehicles work together carefully. The young trees are planted neatly and safely. Finally, Swirlo waters the trees, and the whole team admires their wonderful work. The construction site is greener than ever. Every vehicle is proud to help protect the environment. Slippery tires in the rain. Crane truck's windy day. Two competitive forklifts. Wow! 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 Lifty 1 and Lifty 2 are ready for the giant cargo lifting race. Unbelievable! Both lifties are spinning! Who will lift the cargo higher? The cargo is tilting! Both lifties must adjust quickly. So tense! Wow! Lifty 2 spins strategically. Lifty 1 won't back down. The cargo flies up and down. Who will win? Phew! Both lifties lowered the cargo safely. The race ends funny and action-packed. Rescue the treasure box. Oh no! A giant chest has fallen into the sea. Ah! It's gone under. Look! Submarine Subby appears. Submarine Subby. Bubbles rising, ready for action. Wow! Subby dives deep. Searchlights sweep the seabed. And there it is! The treasure chest stuck under the rocks. Subby pushes the chest upward. Craney stretches its long arm, hooks the cable tightly. Oh wow! So intense! Ah! The treasure chest is shaking! Oh no, it's slipping back down. Craney strains with all its might. Subby pushes from below. Crack! It's on shore now! Ha-ha! It turns out the chest is full of balloons. A rescue both dramatic and funny. Coloring concrete. Today is a special day! Dozzy is building a super cool wall, and it needs a unique color. Swirlo is working extra hard. This isn't just regular concrete. It's a batch of sapphire blue concrete.
I think this color is spot on, Dozzy. Take a look and tell me what you think.
Dozzy slowly rolls closer, squinting to inspect. This blue has to be absolutely perfect.
Wow, Swirlo! That is exactly the sapphire blue I wanted! Excellent work!
Mission accomplished! With this beautiful color, Dozzy's project is sure to be the brightest build in the whole city. The warehouse explosion! Oh no! There's an explosion in the warehouse! All vehicles, get ready! Bobby speeds in! Jet scans from above! The smoke is getting thicker. Flare sprays powerful jets of water. Delivero supports with fire sand. The team works in perfect sync. The warehouse shakes again, but no worries. They've got it under control. What a thrilling and funny rescue! soaked and tired, but they did it! Mock treasure hunt! Reddy and Orango are engaged in an exciting game, the mock treasure hunt. The map box has pointed them right to this spot. Both desperately want to find the small chest first. Reddy digs fiercely. Orango digs with focus.
I'm about to find it, Orango. My scoop is faster.
Not so fast, Reddy. I dig deeper and more accurately than you.
Orango has found it! A tiny chest! Reddy stops, looking completely surprised.
Aha! That's the key to victory.
Orango is today's winner! But Reddy learned that sometimes accuracy is more important than speed. Oh, the dawn had just broken. Then crack! A wooden bridge in the middle of the river collapsed. Alarm! Alarm! Bobby rushes forward to block the road. Stop all vehicles from entering. Whoosh! Flare dashed over using the long life ladder, all the way to the edge of the bridge. Rumble! Reddy digs a new stake site. Craney pulls the giant pole into pus. Swirl, swirl, swirl. Swirlo pours reinforced concrete. Secures every joint. Wow! The bridge was saved just in time. This dawn is more brilliant than ever. Campfire chaos! A calm night in the forest. The rescue vehicles set up camp and light a warm bonfire. Deliveroo toasts snacks. Jet circles above with lights. Subby sprays water for fun. Everything's perfect. Suddenly, whoosh! A strong gust of wind. Sparks scatter everywhere, and the backup firewood bursts into flames. Oh no! The fire spreads toward the tents. Rescue truck rushes in with sirens blaring. Deliveroo hauls water. Jet guides the wind from above. From the lake, Subby fires a massive water jet. It shoots high into the air like fireworks. Steam rises. Mist covers the forest. The smoke clears. The fire's out. Only a pile of charred logs remains. The vehicles glance at each other. Then pop! Deliveroo's marshmallow is perfectly roasted. The team bursts into laughter. A day in the life of a delivery truck. A new day begins, and Deliveroo is ready for the first deliveries. On the road, no obstacle can stop Deliveroo. Delivering on time, every centimeter is perfect. Twisting roads cannot slow Deliveroo down. An unexpected challenge, but Deliveroo never gives up. Successfully delivering the last package, Deliveroo completes the mission. After a busy day, Deliveroo prepares for the next deliveries. Stranded train rescue. Oh no! A large rock is blocking the tracks. The train can't move. Craney is here, and the crane is ready to lift the rock off the tracks. Boom! Dawsey is digging, clearing the way for the train to continue its journey. Phew! Reddy is pouring concrete, making sure the tracks are stable. Whoosh! Flair is spraying water, cleaning the track so the train can go through. And just like that, the train continues its journey, safe and sound. A construction site is in operation. Workers are working. Oh no! Part of the construction site collapsed, trapping many workers under the rubble. Will the rescue team be able to rescue them in time? Rescue vehicles are on the scene immediately! Bobby coordinates rescue. Flair will extinguish any fires, and Healy prepares to treat the injured. Jet will provide air support. Help me! Help me! Flair and Healy did not hesitate, immediately rushing into the fight. Both of them tried to quickly protect the victim. Jet flies from above, monitoring and providing information about safe areas and trapped workers. The rescue is underway. Injured workers are being pulled from the rubble, while Flair secures and Healy takes the victims to the emergency room. The rescue operation was completed successfully. All workers were rescued and brought to safety. The city will soon return to peace. Giant bubbles on the sea! A peaceful morning under the ocean. Subby swims happily among colorful fish. Oh wow, he looks so excited! Wait a minute, what's that? A giant pearl? Or a huge bubble? Oh my goodness, it's getting bigger! Even bigger! And now it's larger than Subby! Oh no! The bubble's floating up! Subby's being lifted with it! Watch out! There's a pod of dolphins ahead! Bounce! Bounce! Ah! The bubble's going to burst! Oh no! Subby's falling! Splash! Ha 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 ha! And off goes Subby again, this time with a tiny bubble on his head. Who would have guessed? Railway rescue. Danger! A car is stuck fast on the railroad tracks. The train whistle is echoing in the distance. Craney must act quickly. Craney races to the scene, flashing his emergency lights. He lowers his outriggers, the crane arm extends, trying to hook the trapped car. The train is very close! The hook is in! Craney uses all his strength, lifting the car clear. The train horn screams as the locomotive rushes right past. That was an incredibly close call. The car is safe. Craney gently places it on the shoulder. A powerful and timely rescue. The railway hero has won the day. Container truck caught in big tree branch. Oh no! A giant tree branch is blocking the road. The container truck brakes hard. Screech! Almost crashing into it. Oh my God! The container is jammed. The entire convoy behind is blocked. The wind is blowing hard. The snow is covering everything. The situation is getting more and more tense. Look! Here comes the Craney crane. Boom extended, cables down, ready for action. Craney pulled hard. Crack! The giant branch slowly lifted off the road. Oh my, so tense! Ah! The branch slipped off the hook. Crash! It almost crushed the container. Oh my God, I was so scared. Boom! The tree branch has been cleared. The container truck has passed safely, but ha-ha! A small tree branch kicked up snow and covered the container. It looked both dramatic and funny. The statue collapsed! Today is a special day. The construction team is building a brand new statue right in the middle of the site. Swirlo mixed the concrete and Tippy brought the cement. Craney carefully used the crane hook to lift the statue. Reddy and Dozzy hold the base tight. Everything is going smoothly. Craney carefully lifts the statue high into the air. Oh no! A sudden gust of wind makes the statue tilt and fall. The team works perfectly together. Reddy and Dozzy hold tight, while Craney gently lifts the statue back up. Finally, the statue stands tall again. The team laughs together. What a memorable workday!
The Surprise Hero by the Park Gate.
Truck stuck in sand. Deliveroo drives across the wide sandy area, but the soft sand starts sinking under its wheels. Oh no! Deliveroo is sinking. Wheels spin endlessly without moving. Luckily, Orango arrives to help pull Deliveroo out of the sand. Ha! Craney lifts the cargo, Rollo compacts the sand. The team works together to save Deliveroo. Slowly, Deliveroo is being pulled out of the sandy patch. Safe at last! Deliveroo continues the delivery journey. Lesson of the day: be careful when driving through soft sand. Forest of fallen trees. Powerful winds begin to roar through the once quiet forest. In just seconds, massive trees snap and crash down, completely blocking the forest path. Immediately, the rescue vehicles speed toward the scene at full force. They weave through falling trunks and dodge giant branches crashing down from above. Each vehicle uses all its strength to push the heavy logs aside, clearing space piece by piece. They work in perfect harmony. The bulldozer clears big branches. Finally, the path is opened wide enough for the trapped vehicles behind to move through safely. Good morning, City! And as usual, Bobby, our brave police car is patrolling, keeping the peace. But suddenly, an unexpected event occurs.
Hey, you! Over right there!
Bobby received an emergency signal. A car has been stolen and is on the run. Bobby immediately rushed out at top speed.
Hey, hey!
The streets are no longer peaceful. Bobby must quickly pass slow-moving cars so as not to lose sight of the criminal. A truck is blocking the road. Can Bobby get past it? Of course. Bobby quickly rushes through a narrow road, defeating the obstacle, not letting the criminal escape. And then, a big hole! The criminal car couldn't get out of it. Bobby got close in time and stopped the criminal car. The chase ended here. Bobby is not only a policeman, but also a real hero of the city. Thanks to Bobby's bravery and speed, the criminal is arrested. The city is peaceful again. Craney pulls overturned car. Oh no! The truck has flipped on the slope! Hurry! Craney is here to save the day! Carefully, Craney hooks the cable. Ooh, the truck shakes dramatically. Whoa, the truck spins. Cargo flying everywhere. Careful, and success. The truck is back on its outlaws. Perfect. Craney handled it brilliantly, saving the truck from disaster. The truck drives away safely. Craney heads off for the next challenge. Oh.
Huh?
Huh? Huh?
Huh? Oh no! Oh, huh?
Runaway truck! Oh no! Deliveroo's brakes are gone. It's speeding downhill like a rocket. Rescue team to the rescue! Ready leads, Orango lights the path. Craney gets ready for action. Deliveroo skidded around a dangerous corner. Rocks flew everywhere. Tires billowed with smoke. Lifty quickly blocked the way with a steel shield. Hang! The delivery car bumped slightly but stopped. Deliveroo was still sliding slightly. Orango released the tow rope. Craney reached out with a crane to hold the back of the truck. The wheels were spinning. Smoke was billowing. The tension was extreme. Phew! Just inches from the edge. What an incredible rescue mission! Mission accomplished. A wild downhill ride ends with laughter and lights.